What happened to your face?
I got paint.
Where did you get that paint?
By my makeup. I want to put my makeup on my face because I like it by my face.
That's some interesting makeup.
I like it on my face a lot. So I put on my face so it could be beautiful on my face, and I like it on here. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Back up.
And when I put on my face, Mom, it feels perfect for me, Mama. And
I'm so glad that it looks perfect. Everett, back off. Whoa, where'd you go?
I feel...
Go back up a little bit.
I feel
There you
proud.
Go. You feel proud?
Yeah, I feel proud about it when I look like my face looks
You look a little bit like a clown.
Clowns don't wear this much makeup.
Oh, they don't?
No, they wear a lattice. I'm not wearing a lattice of makeup.
You're not wearing a lattice of makeup?
No, because clowns make a lattice of makeup on their face, but I didn't make a lattice of makeup on me. But,
That looks it's quite the makeup job.
so I made it myself.
Uh-huh.
So I could be pretty and proud. So I could be proud of myself, and I look like a proud girl. So I
A
could
proud girl.
nice and proud.
You are nice and proud.
Bye.
That's
Bye.
some interesting makeup.
Bye.
Oh, and you got it in your hair too.
No, a little bit.
Well, what are you gonna do with all this makeup on your face?
I'm gonna dry it off in the bathtub.
It's gonna all come up on the bathtub?
Yeah,
I hope so.
if it does.
Did you take a look at yourself inside the mirror?
Yes, I did.
What did you say when you saw yourself?
I said I'm nice and proud to myself.
That's what you said to yourself?
Yes. Bye-bye.
Mommy's a little bit surprised about the extensiveness of how much makeup you put on.
How much makeup I put on?
Oh my goodness.
Bye. Bye-bye.